Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a full tutorial on how you can invest in projects through the use of Seedling. So it'll be a complete tutorial starting from what locking and burning is and how you can invest in projects like Whitley, which is happening right now. So before I continue, I'm going to do a quick introduction of Seedling. Seedling is the um, launchpad of the cherry ecosystem. So they launch a lot of in the future they're gonna launch a lot of cherry projects like Unigate, and they've launched a couple of other cherry ecosystem projects like Seedling, Cherish, I think that's all, and Cherry Network. So there's gonna be a lot of cherry ecosystem projects showing up here in the future, and they are going to be launching other sorts of projects as well, like Ridley and Foxtrot. Those are the ones that were just announced not long ago, and they are going to be launching more in the future. So Seedling's allocation system is a tierless one. You can receive allocation to invest in future projects by either locking or burning tokens. So early on I already locked and burned some tokens, as you can see, but I'm doing a redo of this tutorial because I messed some stuff up. But I'll be showing you how to lock your tokens. So you can choose to lock in one of four different periods, ranging from 1 month to 12 months, and you get a return at a monthly return on allocation. So for example, if you lock $100 worth of seedling, your allocation will accumulate linearly, so you will keep receiving allocation until it reaches $800 at the end of the month. So this is definitely for long-term investors if you want to accumulate some allocation for like future sales. This is a very good option. So let me just lock some tokens right now, 100 tokens for 12 months. Let me just do that real quick. And let's wait for the transaction to go through. And in the meantime, I'll also burn some more tokens, 100 tokens. Okay, it's locking my tokens right now. I'm also going to burn some tokens. Let's also wait for that transaction to go through. In the meantime, let's look at Whitley. So to participate in any future sale, you need to register on Seedling. So let me do that right now. Let me just use my email like that, and you will have to sign a transaction. I'm doing that right now on my wallet. Not sure if you can see it. So you're just signing a transaction, successfully registered, and they also have a analysis document right here. So let's register interest. You need to register interest for the project as well. We'll just do just that. You also need to sign a transaction, which I'm doing right now. It's probably off the screen for you. They have a analysis document for each upcoming project, like Whitley. You can read up a lot about Whitley here. They have a lot of information, like some pros and cons, tokenomics, statistics of the project, roadmap, the team. So yeah, for this project, the team looks pretty good. You can look through their team. They have Evan Luthra, which is a Forbes 30 under 30 recipient. A lot of good people here. Yeah, you can definitely take a look. So that's what caught my attention for this project. Let me take a look at my locked tokens. So we've burned some tokens here, 100 tokens, and that got us around 160. Yeah, look at here, 100 seedling tokens, you will get $162 of allocation. I've burned 200 tokens today, so that's $300 of allocation. Right here is locking. So I've locked 100 tokens for 12 months. Is it? Yeah, 12 months. I don't think that's 12 months, but oh, the days are different. It probably counts 30 days as 1 month instead of an actual month. So the return is 16x. So it means it will be so my allocation will be distributed linearly throughout the month, and at the end of each month, I will receive 16x the value of my seedling tokens as allocation. And there's also some protection. If the value of my seedling decreases, it will still give me the same amount of allocation each month. And if it increases, I will receive more allocation. So that's the good thing. As for burning, you are helping to reduce the supply of seedling, and you also get a huge allocation. Like 100 seedling tokens is, let me check. Yeah, it's $3 right now. For $3 of seedling, you're going to get $100 worth of allocation, 162 to be exact. But that's a lot of allocation for $3, which is practically nothing. So after you've received your allocation, you can just go straight to this project page for any of the upcoming sales once it's live. Like Whitley is ongoing right now. There's a timeline here. It started on August 10th, which is yesterday. So you can go here, you can click contribute. The minimum is $50 and the maximum is 327 for my account because I have $327 of allocation. So this depends on how much allocation you have, which depends on how many tokens you burn or lock. And I think they have a cap of this at $10,000, I believe. So if your allocation exceeds $10,000, you can only invest a total of 10,000 in the project. I'm pretty sure that's done to make sure that no whales will like buy the entire pool. And you can simply hit contribute. You can select your amount. You can key in any value. The minimum 50. You can key in your maximum, and you can click pay. But I'm not gonna do that for this tutorial because I've already bought some allocation. So what you do is you click pay. It will prompt you to sign the transaction, and you just approve it, and you'll be invested in your in the token that you participated in. So here I have my other account. I have $150 of investment. So yeah, I guess that's all for this video. But before I go, I would like to just thank everyone for all the support in my previous video. This one, so I received 300 overviews, and that's a lot of watch hours. It's like an entire day, like combined across like many people. But thank you so much for all the support, and on my Twitter as well. That's way more impressions than I expected. It's a lot of profile visits, followers, and I think I had a recent tweet where I tried to like shill Cherry and like different like projects in its ecosystem, and I got quite a lot of engagement. So yeah, thanks a lot for like all the support. I think it's probably because it got shared in the Cherry Network Telegram and stuff. But thanks for like all the support you've shown, and I think that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.